a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys. So today's video is brought to you by CurlsCurls. So if you don't know about CurlsCurls, they are another human hair company that specializes in curly textures. I'll start off with some unboxing, the application, and the styling, and I'll come back with my review. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this wig together, then just keep on watching.
For days, I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart.
so I'm back and I have this wig applied. So I'm going to read the specs for you guys. So this is their naturally curly 3B/3C glueless lace front wig, and the starting price for this wig is $279. At the shortest length, which is 14 inches. I have 18 inches, so mine would be $388. I really like this length and the shape that it has. It has a nice fullness to it, a nice density and shape to it, and length. I shampooed this wig. I'll have to insert what shampoo I used in the description box because I forgot the name of it. I shampooed this wig, I conditioned this wig, and then I followed it up with some leave-in conditioner. And this is a leave-in conditioner my hairstylist recommended for my hair, but it was just around, so I decided to use it on my wig. Here it is here. I put the name, I think it's pronounced Oudad Moisture Light Leave-In Conditioner. It's for all curl types. So I used that on this hair, and then I followed it up with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse here. And I talk about this all the time, but it's really, really good, especially for curly wigs. And then I followed it up with my Felicia Leatherwood brush to clump the curls. I'll have all the products that I use to get this wig together in the description box. There'll be Amazon affiliate links, and I'll just have it in my wig essentials on my Amazon storefront. So be sure to follow me there. So that's what I did. The last thing I used was the curl mousse. And then if I have time, I love to let my wigs air dry because it gets the curls exactly like I want them to be, and it'll be 100% dry and defined still. So this is 100% dry and the curls are very defined and beautiful. So with this wig, I felt like the cap was a little bit too small for me. This is a medium-sized cap, but for some reason it felt kind of small. Because this wig cap was kind of small, I did decide to glue it down in the front, just in this area, kind of in a closure kind of area. Even though this is a 13x6, I decided to kind of wear it like a closure wig. So I just used my Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray here. You guys know I love this stuff. And I just used it in this area right here. I don't have the sides to tear it down at all. I used my Style Factor Edge Booster. This is one of my favorite edge controls. And I used it on my natural edges because this is a curly wig that's also a natural color and it blends well with my natural hair. So that's how I decided to wear this wig. The only con I would say that I had with this wig was the hairline. I do feel like they could have tweezed it a lot more because I did have to tweeze it before I washed it. So the hairline was pretty thick. I did do a sunlight test for you guys. Now, I will say it looks very good on camera. It looks very good like downstairs in front of a window. But outside, the lace does look a little bit dark on me. So you can kind of see where the lace begins and like, you know, the demarcation there. So I do feel like the lace is not like kind of lace that just disappears. So even though lace is never going to be skinned because it's a fabric, I do feel like it's levels to it. And I feel like I could see it outside, so you just have to play around to make sure your lace is the most melted. But overall, I think this is very pretty. I mean, the curls are just stunning. It's such a beautiful, soft, and natural look. And I really like the shape that it has. And this length. It just, density, length, and shape is very, very gorgeous. And it feels amazing. And it's thanks to this, but it's just so pretty. So I like the way I installed it because even though I'm not wearing it glueless, which is the easiest option, with just spraying it down in one section, it's still a very easy install. So I feel like it's very beginner friendly. I did get some shedding, but I did tweeze a lot from the hairline. So I'm just going to assume that's where the shedding came from. With my curly wigs, human or synthetic wigs, I don't really run my hands through it. The only time I run my hands through my curly wigs is to fluff it out. But once that happens, I usually only handle my curly wigs when they're wet. So during the washing process. And of course, during the washing process, I use my Felicia Leatherwood brush and it gets the tangles out. Yeah, but overall, I think this is very pretty. I feel like it suits me very well. I tend to go for like type 4 textures because my hair is type 4, but I feel like this 3C, this 3B3C naturally curly texture is still very pretty on me as well, and it looks good. So if you are interested in this wig, I will have it linked in the description box, and if there are any coupon codes or anything, they'll be listed down below as well. Shout out to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in and always supporting, especially with Amazon like Prime days and everything. Those videos were so exhausting because I was like recording them the same day, editing them, putting them up and everything. That was a lot. That was a lot. So I appreciate everybody who tuned in and supported me Really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I do uploads. Follow me on my Amazon storefront. I have like tons of different categories to shop. I have wigs, fashion, pet supplies, you name it, I have it on there. Thank you to everybody who continues to support my Amazon storefront and all of my social media platforms. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at iFancyCupcakes as well as TikTok. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.